Here's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rearview mirror, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, external memory control, active grille shutters, smartphone wireless charging, and automatic transmission. Edmonds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.